So friends, let's see today's lovely veg canapes recipe. So here I have 2 cups of water. We're going to bring the water to a boil. And here I've cut up one small potato, peeled it and cut it up into cubes. And this is 1 carrot. I've peeled the carrot and cut it into cubes. Now once the water starts to boil, I'm going to add the carrots and the potato, and we're just going to parboil it. That is just when it's just cooked. We don't want the potatoes to be overcooked, but just rightly cooked, so it still has a crunch. So now I'm going to add the cooked potatoes and carrots to a bowl. Next, I'm going to add 1 small capsicum that I've cut into very small cubes. Next goes in 1 small tomato. I've removed the pulp of the tomato and I've cut it up into small cubes. Next goes in 1 cubed cucumber. Now mix all of these ingredients well together. You could add French beans, corn, the choice is yours. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and some salt to taste. Mix everything really well together so that the salt and the pepper coats all of the other ingredients. Now I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of veg mayonnaise without any flavor in it. And mix all of this well together. Now you could add the garlic mayonnaise or the other flavored ones if you like, but I prefer it to have the plain flavor without any other extra flavoring. That really, it really tastes nice without all the other extra flavoring. But the choice is yours, of course, and whatever you have at hand you can use. So now mix all of this together well. So our filling is ready. Now I will leave a link to how to prepare pure veg canapes at home. I'll leave the recipe link down in the description box as well as the comment section. So I've already prepared the canapes in advance, and now all you have to do is just fill them with this filling. And one tip I like to give you here is keep the filling in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to serve, only then put the filling into the canapes. The filling should be nice and chill. And that's it, guys. Your canapes are all ready. It's a lovely snack or a starter, or just when you're hungry and want to have something light. So I hope you liked today's short and sweet recipe. Don't forget to check out how to make homemade canapes which are pure veg at home. And give this recipe a try, and I'll catch you in my next video. Soon as anything, this is Akshata signing off. Bye.